Minimalism taught me to reduce to the bare necessities. This sounds horrible, but only so because we live in a world of excess such that what we truly need to live a very fulfilled life sounds like the bare necessities or restrictions. Focusing on the bare necessities helped me to focus on what is truly needed in my life and what is truly important. By cutting out the excess, I gained clarity and focus, which gave rise to clear vision, fresh ideas, and fresh growth. Very much like the new buds of spring, the tender new shoots from the earth, the gentle green swirls of fresh green leaves on the very long string tree branches. The ideas that literally spring to life are inspiring and what gave rise to a lot of the videos I humbly share with you on this channel. Could paring down, becoming minimal inspire you too and spring forward in you new fresh growth? I'll leave you with this much for this week to ponder on. Are you missing out on what truly matters in life by having too much in life? For me, less truly is more in this modern day and age. By having less, I have the mental space, emotional space, and physical space to truly see all the precious and priceless that I have in my life, like my health, my family, my friends, and the beautiful nature. I make it a habit to experience via my weekend morning walks and the abundance of nourishing food that Mother Earth provides me without harming anyone or anything or any living being. Please continue to watch as I just share my day-to-day with you. Till the next video, plant strong, animal love, planet peace. Oh boy.
I'll put it back.
I don't appreciate this. I'm supposed to go here and come down here.